Looking to import your dream vehicle? Now you can buy premium vehicles directly from Japan, Thailand, China with RM Global Auto Solution. How to buy with us. First of all, get in touch with our sales team, available 24/7. Ask for your requirements. Get instant pictures, condition report, and price quotation for your destination port. Negotiate freely and request and performa invoice to make payments. Pay safely via bank telegraphic transfer or with our local agent in your country. Once payment is confirmed, we immediately prepare your shipment. We arrange shipment on the earliest available vessel. Our export team keeps you updated until your vehicle reaches your port. You will receive all necessary documents via express mail or electronic release. Clear your vehicle with your local agent, complete registration, and enjoy your imported vehicle with confidence. Contact us today and import with confidence.